Dear students, now we are handling the topic circles objective level 3. Circles objective level 3. In previous class, we have discussed 36 sums. Now let us discuss about 37th question. If the tangent at theta to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 touches the circle x square plus y square minus 6 root 3x minus 6y plus 20 equal to 0, then one of the value of theta. If the tangent at theta touches the circle x square plus y square equal to 4, this center is 0, 0. If tangent at theta to the circle touches the circle, this is a tangent at p theta touches another circle, this is C2. 3 root 3, 3. You can use R is equal to D. This equation is x square plus y square is equal to 4. This equation is x square plus y square minus 6 root 3x minus 6y plus 20 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 6 root 3x minus 6y plus 20 equal to 0. Then one of the values of theta. Let this is first equation and this is second equation. Equation of tangent of 1. Equation of tangent of 1 at p theta. At p theta is formula x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to r. So x cos theta plus y sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0. Since this is tangent to second circle. Since this is a tangent to 2, use r is equal to d. That implies, what is radius here? This is root 3. Here center is equal to 3 root 3 comma 3. Center is equal to 3 root 3 comma 3. And radius equal to g square plus f square minus c concept 3 root 3 whole square 27 plus 9 36 36 minus 20 16 means 4. So using r is equal to d. So r this is 4 and this is 3 root 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta minus 2 over modulus by root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. So this is 1. Root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. So 4 is equal to 3 root 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta minus 2. So 6 is equal to 3 root 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta. 3 root 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta is equal to 6. Put theta is equal to pi by 6 and verify the option. Put theta equal to pi by 6. 3 root 3 into cos 30 value root 3 by 2. 3 root 3 into root 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. This is root 3 into root 3. 3 3 are 9. 9 plus 3 15 by 2. It is wrong. 3 root 3 cos theta plus 3 sin theta. This is 3 by 2 exactly. Root 3 into root 3. 3 3 are 9. 9 plus 3 12 by 2. 12 by 2 is 6. Correct. Verified option number 5 by 6. Verified second option. Option 2 verified. Verified second option. Now 38th question. A point P is at a distance of root 48 units. A point P is at a distance of root 48 units from the center C. Let this is P. Draw tangents like this. This is center C. A point P is root 48 distance, root 48 units from the center C. The angle between the tangents at P is equal to 60 degrees. Let this is 30 and this is 30. Then the area of quadrilateral formed by pair of tangent drawn from P and radii at the point of contact. Put here, this is Q, this is R. If the angle between tangents P is 60 degrees, then the area of quadrilateral formed by pair of tangent drawn from P and radii at the point of contact. Points of contact. Area of a quadrilateral formula, we know that R into root S11. Area of a quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral PQCR is equal to R into root S11. So the circle did not mention the equation of a circle. Simply angle he given, this CP is 48, root 48. The distance from center to P is equal to root 48. This is 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees. Let us discuss like this. Q is 90 degrees, put here P, here it is 30 degrees and this is C. CP is equal to root 48 given. This is 60 degrees, so we can put in triangle CPQ tan 30. No need here tan theta by equal to R by root S11 because there is no R. In triangle CPQ you can put sin 30 is equal to CQ by, CQ means R, CQ means R, CQ by CP. So R by root 48, sin 30 value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to R by root 48 can be written as 4 root 3. 4 root 3. Therefore, R can be written as 2 root 3. Taking cross multiplication like this. R is 2 root 3. Now, in triangle, in the same triangle CPQ, we can notate here sin 60 we can take. PQ by sin 60 is equal to PQ by root 48. PQ by root 48. PQ also will be getting sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is equal to PQ. PQ means we don't know here. PQ by PQ is nothing but root S11. PQ by root 48. Root 48 can be written as 4 root 3. So PQ is nothing but root S11. Root S11 by 4 root 3. So root S11 is equal to, that implies we can put. That implies root S11 by 4 root 3 is equal to root 3 by 2. This will be getting answer like this. Root 3 into root 3, 6, 3, 3 2s are 6. Root S11 equal to 6. Now, area of quadrilateral formula in IP also we discussed. R into root S11. What is R here? 2 root 3. What is root S11? 6. 6 2s are 12 root 3 is the area of the quadrilateral according to option here, third option. Let us discuss 38th question. Let f of x comma y equal to 0. Whenever x comma y equal to 0 he given, it can be say that it is an implicit function. equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. It is notated as implicit function f of x comma y both equal to 0. F of 0 comma k is given equal to 0 has equal roots k2 comma 2. F of x comma y is equal to equation of circle we can write as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. F of 0 comma k equal to 0 has equal roots. Has equal roots 2 comma 2. Given the condition, the combined equation f of xy is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f plus c equal to 0. It has equal roots 0 comma k. The roots are 2 comma 2. Substitute the 0 comma k here, then we may get like this: f k square plus 2kx 2fk plus c equal to 0. Equal roots concept, sum of roots you can take here. Sum of roots 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 is equal to minus 2f. So f is equal to minus 2. Product of roots equal to 4. So c square is equal, c is equal to 4. Product is equal to 4 is equal to c. In the concept f square equal to c, you can say. So circle touches x-axis. In the similar way, we can also emulate it. We can say that g square equal to also c. Given k comma 0. Students, f is equal to minus 2 we got. So minus f is equal to 2. Maybe, there is no maybe, second option confirmed. Because according to center minus g comma minus f concept, also we can say this one k comma 0. Substitute here, it becomes k square plus 2gk plus c is equal to 0. So delta equal to 0 concept, equal roots we can put. There is no question of equal roots. Has roots, not equal. Roots given as 4 by 5 comma 5. Sum of roots according to question, we can say here 4 by 5 plus 5 is equal to minus 2g. 5 5 is 25, 25, this is minus 2g is equal to 29 by 5. So g is equal to minus 29 by 10 we can say. Now center notation, center is equal to minus g comma minus f. What is minus g here? This is 29 by 10 comma 2. 29 by 10 comma 2 only, second option. Let us discuss 40th question, 40. Question number 40. From the point P minus 1 comma minus 2, PQ and PR are the tangent drawn to the circle, then angle subtended by QR at the center of the circle. IMP bit. From the point P minus 1 comma minus 2, PQ comma PR are the tangents. P minus 1 comma minus 2. P minus 1 comma minus 2. This is QR. PQ comma PR. From the point P minus 1 comma minus 2, PQ comma PR are the tangent drawn to the circle. Then the angle subtended by QR at the center. This is center. This is center. C. Write the equation of circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y equal to 0. It means making the intercepts 6 comma 8 on coordinate axis which is passing through 0 comma 0. Now we should calculate the angle surmounted by the value, this one P at the, this chord at the center. This angle you should calculate. Draw like this. Put here theta. So this is also theta. We know that this is 90. So this is 90 minus theta. We can write here 90 minus theta. This is also 90 minus theta because here angle in semicircle is 90 degrees concept. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y equal to 0. Center is equal to 3 comma 4. Center equal to 3 comma 4 and radius is equal to 5. Indicate here 3 comma 4 and this is 5 and this is 5. Let us think about root S11. Tangent concept, root S11. So PQ we may get. What he is asking here, this angle he is asking. Okay, let us discuss about root S11. Root S1 substitute here 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 16, 27. So root S11 you can write here as 3 root 3. 3 root 3. Draw the rough diagram. Put here right angle as Q. This is Q. Put here P. So PQ is 3 root 3 and this is C. QC is 5. So this one you can say 25 plus 27 root 52. Now what is the concept? Options are in sine concept. So take sine P. At P this is theta. This is 90 minus theta. We need 90 minus theta. So we can take here cos of 90 minus theta is equal to 5 by root 52. Cos of 90 minus theta equal to 5 by root 52. So sin theta is equal to 5 by root 52. Let us verify the option. Sin theta is equal to 5 by root 52. So according to theta, he is asking. Theta is equal to sin inverse 5 by root 52. Theta is equal to sin inverse 5 by root 52. So sin inverse 5 by 2 root 13 is there, but option is not proper way. So we should decide here as 90 minus theta, everything is okay. So let us take sin theta. It's okay, student, it is not wrong. But option is not there. According to option, we should calculate. Now, let us discuss about sin theta. In triangle, sin theta you write. In this triangle, sin theta is equal to 5 by root 52. 5 by 2 root 13. Theta is equal to sin inverse 5 by 2 root 13. Now we need to find out 90 minus theta. I mean to find out the angle QCP. The angle QCP is 90 minus theta. That implies you can write here pi by 2 minus theta is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse. Pi by 2 minus sin inverse 5 by 2 root 13. So this is only C to find out, not QCP, full angle QCR you write. To find out QCR. This is angle QCP. Angle QCP is equal to this one. Now I am writing angle QCR, means full angle. Full angle means this is twice. This is 90 minus theta and 90 minus theta. So 180 minus theta. So you can write here pi minus 2 sin inverse of 5 by 2 root 13. Pi minus 2 sin inverse of 5 by 2 root 13. First option. First question. If P is a variable point and PQ, PR are the tangent drawn to the circle x square plus y square equal to 9, let QR be always touching the circle x square plus y square equal to 4, then locus of P. P is a variable point and PQ, PR with the tangents to the circle. So these are concentric circles. X square plus y square is equal to 9 and x square plus y square is equal to 4. Here P is a variable point. P, Q, P, R are tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to 9. Let QR touches P, Q, P, R are the tangents drawn to circles. So P is external point. From P we can say external, this is P. This is P, this is Q, this is R. QR, the chord of contact is tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to 4. This is the circle x square plus y square equal to 9. So whatever the chord of contact drawn to the circle x square plus y square equal to 9, the chord of contact is becoming a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equal to 4. Now let us draw the equation of chord of contact. Equation of chord of contact of this is the first circle and this is second circle. Equation of chord of contact of 1, that is equation of QR is formula S1 equal to 0. S1 notation is xx1 plus yy1 minus 9 equal to 0. So using R is equal to D. Using R is equal to D. So what is R? 2 radius. 2 is equal to what is D? From center, this is center 0, 0. 0, 0 to this tangent concept. This is R, this is D. So 2 is equal to modulus of minus 9 by root of x1 square plus y1 square. You can say here x square plus y square is equal to 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 whole square 81 by 4. 4 into x square plus y square is equal to 81 is the locus. Of course, this is also a circle. This is also a circle which is concentric with the given circles. Now, 42nd question. From a point P, 2 comma 2 root 2, tangents PQ and PR, same concept. Tangent drawn to circle x square plus y square equal to a square, QR touching the circle x square plus y square equal to 3, same concept. Now he is asking the radius. This is P, this is Q, this is R, QR is the chord of contact, this is the first circle, x square plus y square is equal to a square. X square plus y square equal to a square is the first circle, and x square plus y square is equal to 3 is the second circle. Same as above I am writing. Same as 41 question. Using R is equal to D concept. So here you can write minus a square by x1 square plus y1 square is equal to root 3. Minus a square by root of x1 square plus y1 square is equal to root 3. Xx1 plus y1 minus a square. Let us discuss whether it is first or second model. From the point 2 comma 2 root 2, given 2 comma 2 root 2. From the point 2 comma 2 root 2, tangents PQ are drawn to the circle x square plus y square equal to a square if QR is touching the circle x square plus y square equal to 3. So now you can put a square is equal to 3 into, so root of 3 into here 2 square plus 2 root 2 whole square. 2 square plus 2 root 2 whole square. 2 square means 4 plus 2 root 2 square means 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 3 is 36. So a square is equal to 6. A is equal to root 6. Root 6 is the radius of the required circle. That is only answer. Now 43rd question. If the straight line ax plus by equal to 2 touches the circle x square plus y square minus 2x equal to 3 and is normal to the circle x square plus y square minus 4y equal to 6, then the value of a and b. The The same line is a normal to a circle and the same line is a tangent to another circle. We know that normal passes through the center. Normal passes through the center of the circle. For a circle, for a second circle, that line, whatever the line he given, it is passing through center, and for next circle it is a tangent. So tangent to first circle, tangent for first circle and normal for second circle. Let us draw like this. This is another circle. Whatever the line he given, the line L is equal to ax plus by minus 2 is equal to 0. Ax plus by minus 2 equal to 0. It is touching the circle x square plus y square. This circle is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This is normal to the circle x square plus y square minus 4y minus 6 equal to 0. Minus 4y minus 6 equal to 0. So normal passes through the center. Depends upon this condition we can use. Circle 1 S is equal to, put like this, x square plus y square minus 4y minus 6 equal to 0. This is first equation. And s dash is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This is second equation. So C1 is equal to 0 comma 2. C to R1 is equal to, I think R1 no need. Only 4 plus 6 root 10, no need. C2 is equal to 1 comma 0 and R2 is equal to 1 plus 3, 4 root 2. Since every normal passes through the center, every normal passes through center. That implies substitute the value 0 comma 2 in the normal. So a into 0 plus b into 2 minus 2 equal to 0. A into 0 plus b into 2 minus 2 equal to 0. You can understand this one as 2b is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. B we have decided. B point decided, b is equal to 1. Two options are there. Either it is third option or fourth option. Now let us decide the value of A. Depends upon the condition of tangency. If a line is a tangent to the circle, then we should use R is equal to D. Using R is equal to D for second circle. Using R is equal to D for second circle. What is R? Radius of second circle is 2 and depends upon the using 1 comma 0, write the perpendicular distance. So A into 1 plus B into 0 minus 2 over modulus by root of A square plus B square. 2 into by cross multiplication we get whenever B is equal to 1, you write here 2 into A square plus 1 is equal to A minus 2. Squaring on both sides we can say here 4a square plus 4 minus a square plus 4a. My plus 4a minus 4 equal to 0. 4 get cancelled. This is 3a square plus 4a equal to 0. Whenever a have taken common, a is equal to 0 comma a is equal to minus 4 by 3. Two options. Single option we have decided that a is equal to minus 4 by 3 is option 3. Now let us discuss 44th question. Depends upon the IPE sum exercise 1E last question. In the same model we can use. 44. The angle between pair of tangent drawn from a point T to the circle. Everything is depends upon concentric model x square. According to option you see, everything is in the concentric model x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y. Every option is in concentric model. So concentric circles we can draw. The angle between pair of tangent drawn from a point T on the circle. This is the T you take. From T, a point T is there. This angle is 2 theta to this circle. This circle is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 9 sin square theta plus 9 sin square theta plus 13 cos square theta minus 12 equal to 0. No, there is no minus constant. There is no constant. 9 sin square theta plus 13 cos square theta equal to 0. So we can conclude that this internal circle is passing through the origin. Tan 2 theta he given. We know that students tan theta is equal to r by root s11. Concept tan theta is equal to r by root s11. So according to condition here, r by root s11. Tan theta is equal to r by root s11 depends upon the tan theta. Tan 2 theta he given, we can write tan theta is equal to what is r here according to condition here. G square plus f square minus c concept 4 plus 9 minus 9 sin square theta. 4 plus 9 minus 9 sin square theta minus 13 cos square theta. Whole by root of s11. Let the point T x1 comma y1. So you can write here x1 square plus y1 square plus 4x1 minus 6y1 plus 9 sin square theta plus 13 cos square theta. 9 sin square theta plus 13 cos square theta. That implies we can understand this one as sin theta by cos theta. Students, try to understand that here formula is tan theta by 2 is equal to r by root s11 whenever the angle is theta. Here 2 theta he given. Whenever 2 theta he given, we can understand that tan theta 2 theta by 2 is equal to theta. Now sin theta by cos theta I am writing here 13 minus 13 cos square theta. Whenever we take in 13 common, it becomes 13 within the brackets 1 minus cos square theta. It is 13 sin square theta. 13 sin square theta minus 9 sin square theta. It is 4 sin square theta. So you can write this one as 2 sin theta whole by 2 sin theta. Sin theta you can get cancelled. This one simply you should write x1 square plus y1 square plus 4x1 minus 6y1 plus 9 sin square theta plus 9 sin square theta plus 13 cos square theta. Now we can do one thing, squaring on both sides. Squaring both sides and taking cross multiplication, we can get 2 square like this. The cos square theta, 2 cos square theta becomes 4 cos square theta here. 4 cos square theta is equal to, write the simple locus point. x1 square plus y1 square plus 4x1 minus 6y1 plus 9 sin square theta plus 13 cos square theta plus 13 cos square theta. That implies, now this one taken this side, you can get the answer locus as, here 9 sin square theta is there, 4 cos theta taken this side, it becomes 13 cos theta minus 4 cos theta, it becomes 9 cos theta, and 9 sin square theta already is there. Then whenever 9 we have taken common, sin square theta plus cos theta, it becomes 1. So locus is, you can write here as x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 6 plus 9 equal to 0. Here it is, fourth option. Next, let us discuss about 45th question. I said that IMP homogenization model, IMP sum. use CCUQ19 students. CCUQ19. For the CUQ19, I said that exercise 1C, Roman number 3, last question, IPE. Exercise 1C, Roman number 3, last question. I said exercise 1D, this is not 1C. You see IPE, exercise 1D, last question. For this object only I said here. There, the formula is 2 into x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fa plus constant. 2 into x square plus y square plus 2gx. The concept here it is only first option. By homogenization we can get it is a lengthy sum, already I said in IPG. Okay, let us discuss about 46th question. A circle C of radius 1 touches both axes. Another circle of radius greater than this C touches the both axes as well as the circle C, then the radius of the other circle. I think it is in 16, already we have completed. In level 1, 13, see in the level 3, 13, same question. See the notes of level 3, 13. So 46 completed. Now let us discuss about 47th. This is also very good conceptual question. 47th question. Forty-seventh question. If the point k plus 1 comma k lie inside the region bounded by the curve x is equal to root 25 minus y square. X is equal to root 25 minus y square. This is the curve. He is asking that, he is giving the information to us that x is equal to root of 25 minus y square is a curve. By squaring both sides we get here x square plus y square is equal to 25. It is a circle and the point whatever the point he given as k plus 1 comma k. He is discussing with us that the point k plus 1 comma k lie inside of y axis and the curve also. Inside of y axis. So here or here maybe. K plus 1 comma k lies inside of y axis. Y axis and the circle. This is y axis. Whenever he indicating inside of y axis, the point k plus 1 comma like this only should take. Because he is discussing here x is equal to root 25 minus y square. So x is equal to k model parallel of y. So he is discussing here only positive concept. Whenever positive concept, positive y-axis only should consider. This is the main reason of the question here. This is the main point. So point k plus 1 comma k should lie. Point k plus 1 comma k should lie in Q1 or Q4. It is the main point. Because x is equal to, this is the main condition. X is equal to root of 25 minus y square. If he given as x is equal to minus root of 25 minus y square, you should consider the point P is, whether it is the point in third quadrant or fourth quadrant, should lie in Q1 comma Q4 anything. Now, therefore, Q1 means here plus comma plus. Q4 means also plus comma minus. Therefore, k plus 1 greater than 0, it is main concept. Because whenever k greater than 0, k plus 1 should be greater than 0, k plus 1 greater than 0, k greater than minus 1. This is the main condition. Also use the formula S11 less than 0 because the point lie inside of the circle. Now you can write as k plus 1 whole square plus k square minus 25. K plus 1 whole square plus k square minus 25 less than 0. So 2k square, we can write here 2k square plus 2k minus 24 less than 0 divided with 2, k square plus k minus 12 less than 0. Use the factors as k square plus 4k minus 3k. Concept is splitting the middle term. K square plus 4k minus 3k minus 12 less than 0, k taken common, it becomes k plus 4 and minus 3 taken common, it becomes k plus 4 less than 0. You can write here as k plus 4 into k minus 3 less than 0, therefore k belongs to minus 4 comma 3 open interval. Students, option is there, fourth option, but here you can understand the condition, whatever I had written, first condition, k greater than minus 1. Here 1 you put and here 2 you put. From 1 comma 2 you can take the common domain according to function concept. Common domain. Common domain is equal to k is equal to here k greater than minus 1. K belongs to minus 1 comma 3. So k belongs to here you can write minus 1 is minimum and 3 is maximum, minus 1 comma 3 is common domain. Now let us going to discuss about 48th question. An isosceles right triangle. Draw the circle. An isosceles right triangle inscribed in the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. X square plus y square is equal to r square. So center is origin. An isosceles right triangle inscribed in circle x square plus y square to r square if the coordinates of end of hypotenuse are a comma b, then coordinates of vertex. So not 0 0. You take here a comma b. A comma b. Here a you put a here. Put here capital A comma b. Here b. For isosceles right triangle. So this is right triangle. An isosceles right triangle is asking. Whenever a comma b, capital A comma b, an edge, other edge is asking, it is an isosceles right triangle. If this is a comma b, of course angle in semicircle is 90 degrees, then we can draw this one as a diameter. In any matter we can put like this. This is a comma b. This is minus a comma minus b, because the circle center is x 0 0. X square plus y square root r square, center 0 0. I have taken the diameter such that the angle in semicircle is 90 degrees concept, and the center is 0 comma 0, where the diameter is the longest chord passing through the center. Here AB, here you put this is 90 degrees. We should calculate C, not B, because he is asking only vertex, not end points of hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse end point he given, this is another end hypotenuse. Now we discuss about C. Now let us use the formula AC square plus BC. AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. AC square plus BC square equal to AB square. Use the concept. Depends upon the option we can verify. Now A plus A whole square. A plus A 2A whole square we can write. And B plus B 2B whole square we can write. So this one you can write in the form of 2 into root of A square plus B square. Because 4A square plus 4B square. Now verifying options. Of course, first option is not vertex. Let us verify second option. Second option he given as B comma minus A. B comma minus A. Put here B comma minus A. Now we can discuss AC square. Put it one, the rule, whatever rule I thought, for one I am getting. AC square means here A minus B whole square. Put like this, A minus B whole square plus B plus A whole square. A minus B whole square plus B plus A whole square plus root of Here b plus a whole square minus b plus b whole square. B plus a whole square plus minus a plus b. So b minus a whole square you can write. B minus a whole square. Students, everyone know that formula of a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is 2 into a square plus b square over root. This is also 2 into a square plus b square over root. You can take common as a square plus b square over root. Then it becomes here root of 2 plus root of 2 into a square plus b square. Here also 2 into, so 2 into root of 2 into a square plus b square. This is 4a square plus 4b square. Maybe it is not second option. Let us see the option 48. The given second option only depends upon that one, this one only. An isosceles right triangle is inscribed in the circle if the coordinates of end of hypotenuse are a comma b, coordinates of other vertex b comma minus a. B comma minus a, we should verify b minus a whole square. Of course, no problem. And b plus a whole square, it's also okay. And b plus a whole square plus minus a plus b means b minus a whole square. Here the formula 2 into a square plus b square plus 2 into root of 2 into a square plus b square. Exactly. This formula a plus a whole square, a plus a 2a whole square, b plus b 2b whole square, 4a square plus 4b square. Whenever you have taken common, okay, everything is okay. 4 into a square plus b square we can take common. Now depends upon this one, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, formula 2 into a square plus b square. So a square plus b square, let us take common. This is root x plus root x, what becomes 2 root x? Okay. 2 root x concept. 2 into 2. Okay. Of course, it is not right way. This is like this, we can write 2 into 2 into root of a square plus b square. These two are not right. A comma b have taken, it is absolutely right. Let us verify second option once again. Verify. Second option, b comma minus a. AC square. Students, I did not write here. AC square we can write. Here AB square. Let us discuss about 2a plus 2. This is AB. Now AP square you write. AP square means 4 into a square plus b square. Now for 1 I am writing. For 1. AC square, don't write root. AC square means here a minus b whole square plus b plus a whole square plus b plus a whole square. B plus a whole square. B plus a whole square plus minus a plus b whole square. So b minus a whole square. Here you can write the formula 2 into a square plus b square. Here also we can write the formula 2 into a square plus b square. Now it is okay. So 2 into a square plus b square plus 2 into a square plus b square is 4 into a square plus b square. So option 2 verified. Verified second option. 48 sums we have completed. Okay students, let us discuss 49 is important. So 49, from 49 onwards in next class we can continue.